Setting up a DigitalOcean load balancer is a straightforward process that can help distribute traffic across multiple servers to improve responsiveness and reliability. To begin, log into your DigitalOcean account and navigate to the networking section, where you will find the load balancers option. First, click on Create Load Balancer and choose the region where your load balancer will be located. It is essential to select a region that is close to your servers to minimize latency. Next, choose the size of your load balancer, which determines the amount of traffic it can handle. You will then need to configure the load balancer's settings, including the protocol, port, and algorithm. The protocol and port settings depend on the type of traffic you want to distribute, such as HTTP or HTTPS. The algorithm setting determines how the load balancer distributes traffic, with options including round-robin, least connections, and IP hash. After configuring the settings, you will need to add the droplets that will be behind the load balancer. These droplets should be running the same application or service to ensure that traffic is distributed evenly. You can add droplets by selecting them from your list of available droplets or by creating new ones. Once you have added the droplets, you will need to configure the health checks, which determine how the load balancer checks the status of the droplets. You can set the protocol, port, and path for the health checks, as well as the interval and timeout. After configuring the health checks, you can create the load balancer. DigitalOcean will then provision the load balancer and distribute traffic to the droplets. You can verify that the load balancer is working correctly by checking the metrics and logs. Best practices for setting up a DigitalOcean load balancer include using a large enough size to handle your traffic, configuring health checks to ensure that traffic is not sent to unhealthy droplets, and using a load balancer algorithm that is suitable for your application. By following these steps and best practices, you can set up a DigitalOcean load balancer that improves the responsiveness and reliability of your application.